Hey, so if you're familiar with Korean food, you know that Korean spicy pork is easily one of the most popular dishes out there. In fact, according to the latest surveys done in South Korea, this is the top 2 dish that Korean men prefer the most. Like, they want to eat this all the time. I don't know why it's so popular among men, but what's there not to like though? It's so intense, it's garlicky, it's fiery, it's got that gochujang flavor that you just cannot resist. So today I'm going to show you how to make this at the comfort of your own home, just like they do at restaurants and late night pubs. So let's get to it. First, you're going to need some pork. The 2 most commonly used cuts for this dish are pork neck, also called kopa, and pork shoulder. What I got here is pork shoulder, which is easier to find at grocery stores than kopa. Freeze the meat for half an hour or so, and you'll be able to slice them thinly without hurting yourself. And before you slice the meat, identify which way the grain's going and cut the other way. For example, this meat's grain looks like it's layered bottom to top. And you can tell by which way the fat layer is going. So that means I need to cut through the layer, not along the layer. Now go ahead and slice the meat. So this is about the thickness that you want, and without freezing it first, I probably couldn't have sliced it this thinly. So now we have the pork all sliced up. We're gonna marinate this for about half an hour. We're gonna add some soju, garlic, ginger, pepper, salt, and sugar to the meat. Nothing bold at this point, but they're gonna make sure to season it a little bit and make the meat flavor much cleaner. Add about 2 tablespoons of soju and sprinkle some salt. Add some black pepper. Add a tablespoon of sugar or your favorite sweetener. I'm adding allulose because I've been cutting down sugar. And add about a couple of tablespoons of minced or chopped garlic. And add about a tablespoon of grated ginger. This is gonna really add some refreshing flavor to the meat. And now mix it all together. And for those who feel the need to slap the meat, I don't know if that really helps. Now wrap up your bowl and put it away in the refrigerator for about half an hour. While that's put away, now is the perfect time to prepare the sauce. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of gochujang here. As for the soy sauce, make sure to use this light sodium, which is the green label if you use this popular brand. Don't use the regular soy with the red color because that's about twice as salty. Now add some soju. Each pour represents a tablespoon. Gochugaru is another very important ingredient. It's sun-dried Korean pepper. Too much gochujang will add pasty and stuffy flavor in your mouth because it's made out of beans. Gochugaru will add that flavor and heat without that extra texture. Add about 2 tablespoons of sugar or your favorite sweetener and 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. And of course, you'll need more minced garlic, like a couple of tablespoons. Now I'm gonna test this. Damn, okay. You'll need some onion and green onion for cooking with the pork later, so might as well get everything ready now. Now the only thing left to do is to cook everything you've prepared so far. Turn up the heat to medium-high and add some vegetable oil. Once your frying pan is hot, add the pork. Occasionally stir around so the bottom of your meat doesn't burn. We're now adding some onion. Onion takes a while to cook, so we're adding it now with the meat. It's been about 5 minutes. Go ahead and cook just a little bit more before you add that gochujang sauce we prepared. Now add the sauce and let the party begin. Now make sure that sauce is completely mixed in throughout. Now it's time to add green onion. Green onion only needs a minute or 2. And we're done. And as for the garnish, I'm adding some sliced up red pepper, toasted sesame seeds, and some chopped up perilla leaves. And let me show you a really awesome way to eat this dish. Normally I use lettuce, but sometimes that's a little bulky, so I like using perilla leaves and pickled daikon. I bought this pickled daikon from a Korean supermarket, but you can easily make this at home with some vinegar and sugar. Add some meat, pepper, onion, making sure your bite is just perfect in that wrap, and just wrap it up. And where to next? Right in your mouth. Sorry, but I'm gonna have to make another one. A little too big. Well, I don't care. I have a big mouth. Well, that's it, folks. If you like today's content, please smash that like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.